Good morning, welcome back. It's been a while, so I'm sorry for that, but it's been a pretty busy winter this year, and sometimes it's just honestly tough to get this thing out and film and make an interesting video for you guys. But you can probably see we're a good part of the way through our winter here, given the size of the snowbanks that we have around the hangar here. But today we're gonna go and do something a little bit backwards from what we normally do. You can probably see that I have a sled already hooked up to the long line, which is the opposite of what we normally do. We're dropping it off. But so today we're gonna go slinging 2 sleds and a couple guys into a bit of a new zone, or a farther zone than what you can typically get to in a day. So I'm pretty much all hooked up, I'm fueled up, and the machine's ready to go. So pretty much at this point we'll just jump in and we'll go flying and drop a couple sleds off in the Alpine. And we're pretty lucky today. It is gorgeous, which we haven't had a ton of these nice blue sky days this winter. So this is a nice treat to go up and sling in this kind of weather. So admittedly, I haven't long lined in a little while, so the plan today is slow is smooth and smooth is fast. And I'll just have some fun. And Revelstoke traffic, it's AStar Foxtrot Bravo Lima Whiskey. We're running at the Glacier Hangar, be lifting departing out to the east. We'll have an external line on Complex Bravo Lima Whiskey.
Westbound along the highway, conflicting SKV, and I got the AStar lifting from Glacier. Hey Eric from Phil, you lifted off already?
Yeah, sir, stand by, sir.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Yeah, just coming off the base here with my line now. Will be eastbound. I got spinning down there.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, thanks. Lima Victor India is going to be final for the Hillcrest Hotel.
Ooh, that's cold. I'm actually pretty happy with that pickup there. It was pretty slow, pretty smooth. Got the load kind of right under me there. And I drifted off to the right a little bit there, but the main key is didn't damage the sled, didn't damage the building, didn't damage a helicopter, so that's pretty much a win. And 1267 traffic, Blanket Creek, AStar Foxtrot, Bravo Lima Whiskey, just coming over the mouth of Blanket Creek at 4,600 feet with an external load southbound.
Cranberry Creek traffic, Circular India. I'm just climbing into South Cranberry Creek Complex, SKI 126.7.
These two mountains that are just coming up off the ridge in the background here, that's Mount Thorn, Mount Odin. There's some of the taller peaks in the South Monachies here. Beautiful, beautiful mountains. Okay, 2 miles out from the spot here, so pretty much anywhere up on the ridge is kind of what we're going for. We're at 7,500 feet right now. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look at the spot that they want to put the sled on, which I already know is this little knob up here. Just make sure it's a good spot to drop sleds, drop people. So that's what we're doing after. But I got a great spot in mind. So it's just coming off the right side here. So we're at 7,700 feet with some good clearance to the ground at the moment. 130-foot long line on at the moment.
Here, Lumbee Valley and Vernon, Cessna 172, Golf Sierra, Foxtrot, Charlie, currently 5.
And we're a little downwind at the moment here, so basically I'm just going to set up, turn us around, we get the load stabilized under us.
We'll be passing overhead Vernon and headed
and shoot our approach with the sled.
to the west side of the Okanagan Lake, Sierra, Foxtrot.
What a view. Okay, so the load's coming under us now. Now we're just going to walk it into this nice little clump of trees here off the nose. That was not my nicest drop off ever. A bit too low with a bit of forward speed there. Alright, so now we'll go pick up the second sled, do better than that, and bring it up here. Alrighty gents, I should get you there. How are you doing this morning?
Doing great. We are ready for you. Super excited.
Yeah, it looks great up there. Not tons of tracks, which is great. Okay, about a mile back from our spot here. Oh yeah, that's not a bad spot. hook it up. Blustery in here. Alright, sled number 2, we'll clear the trees and let's go uphill. Okay, we'll probably see in about, probably take me 15 minutes to climb up and head back down.
Sweet, 10-4, we're going to put our helmets on.
There we are, we're through 6,000 feet now, getting kind of back up into the Alpine zone a bit, or about 7,500 feet again. So here coming up to it actually, climbing up I can almost do what could be considered, you know, an eye level pass on the spot. So here we are just through about 7,300 feet, so that's our spot. So we want to kind of shoot our approach at 75 and then come down to our spot. Blowing down there, 7,500 feet, and we'll set up our approach. So I got the load under me now, and we're just going to walk it into the sled. So I've got my remote hook, get the kind of get the clevis off to the side, a little bit of tension on it, pops off. There we go. Pop it right there. Eyes up now.
Traffic advisory for the Chilliwack area and Vernon area, Bonanza 836, Golf Tango November Whiskey.
We'll basically shut down here just for a second to pull my long line off, put it in the basket, get the straps off the sled for the boys, and then we'll go back and get them.
A few moments later.
We're back online here. Pulled the line and the straps off the sleds.
Thanks for the heads up to lift you up. And Lamington, traffic advisory, Tango November Whiskey is going to transit to the north side of the town.
So the main reason I take my long line off for that and then grab the straps is, one, I can now fly downhill at 120 knots or faster to pick up the guys. I don't have to land in a tight little confine with a long line to worry about underneath me. And when I drop these guys off, I'm not going to shut down, treat it like a heli ski landing. Frankly, I'm just more comfortable taking the straps off myself and not having them under some running blades with some big long straps that they might use as whips and make their way up into the blade. So honestly, just a safety factor thing. So this confine that we're going into isn't huge by any means. It's on the side of a logging road. That's active traffic on it, so it's kind of one of those ones where there's a few things floating around in the back of your mind for, you know, what you're kind of getting yourself into going into a spot like that. But from picking up that second sled there, it looks like a pretty good spot. Shouldn't be too tight. It's just a big vertical down into it and a big vertical out. We got pretty good pretty good breeze off the nose at the moment here. Showing almost 30 knots difference between my ground speed and my airspeed. Alrighty. There's the truck, there's our spot. We're just coming in over the road here. It kind of gives me just the best sight line and approach path in here. Oh, we got a lot of tall trees in here. Hey guys, I'm going to get you to run down the road here and hike up the hill a bit. Spot's too tight, you'll see where I'm landing.
What was that?
Walk up to where I'm going to land. That road is, it's too tight. There's too many big trees there that I don't like.
Okay, 10-4, no problem.
Little single wire across the road here. We're just kind of hugging the right side of the confine for now until we clear into it. Bit of a slope down to the left there. Oh yeah, the spot's great.
I hope we don't lose our light up there today.
Well, that went pretty well, hey?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Everything's great. No complaints.
Okay, so the sleds are just on the right side here in a minute.
Oh yeah, perfect. You nailed the spot. That's epic.
So that's it there, and then yeah, basically I'll just park. You can probably see my old skid tracks there, but I'll just park you right basically next to it. You guys jump out, grab your gear out of the basket. You can stay on the right side. Just make sure that passenger side door is closed when you come out, and then give me a thumbs up, and you guys enjoy your day.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Oh, it's my pleasure, you guys. Look at the view.
Yeah, beautiful.
Ready, rock and roll.
Thanks, Eric.
Dad, I'll give you your helmet.
Enjoy, guys. There we go. Pulling the bags down. All right, have fun, boys. And the old trek back to town. 126.7 traffic, Mount Odin. It's AStar Foxtrot Bravo Lima Whiskey. We're overhead Mount Odin at 9,800 feet, and we're tracking north-northwest bound. Revelstoke next conflict, Romeo Bravo Tango. Or correction, Bravo Lima Whiskey. Right on, so we're just getting back in towards Revelstoke there. I don't know if you can see the ski hill off my right side here. There's Mount Begbie in front of us. Maybe we'll just, we'll go fly through the notch here on Mount Begbie. Yeah. There we go. Now we got to point it back to the earth and get from 9,000 feet down to 1,500 feet in about 5 miles.
Okay, so we're back. Unfortunately, the SD card was full on the GoPro from the inside, so I'm sure we went from either blasting through the notch on Mount Begbie or some point before there to just being here now. But that was pretty fun. That actually went really, really smoothly. Those are always fun little missions to go and do, and this machine is just so awesome. So anyways, thank you for watching. We'll sign off for the time being. Maybe we'll pick this up again tomorrow and have a little bit more fun with it. But thanks for watching. Thanks to Glacier and Paul for letting me continue to shoot these videos. I do like doing this despite how long it's been, but we'll catch you guys in the next one.